welcome to another video. Today's video is a really special set of nails that I've done. So this set is for the lovely Aggie's birthday. Now I think most of you are already subbed to Aggie, but if you're not already subbed to her, I'm going to pop the link in the description box to her YouTube channel. Please head over there and give her your love and support, because she is really supportive for everybody. She's always liking and commenting on everyone's videos. She's always there if you need any help. She's just the most supportive girl I've met since I started my nail journey. She's really lovely, and her nail art is on point as well. She does some really fantastic sets of nails. So yeah, I'd really appreciate it if you'd head over there, wish her a massive happy birthday, and hopefully hit that cheeky little subscribe button. Let's try and get her to her 700 subscribers, eh? Also, there's a few other of Aggie's mates that's done her birthday set of nails as well, so I'm going to leave the link to their videos in the description box below. Right, let's get on with the video. So you'll see I've done the two outer nails, black and white, like on a diagonal slant, you'll see there. And the white I've used is GDCOCO 819A, and the black is GDCOCO 820A. And then the two inner nails, they are just full white nails. And then all four nails have been fully cured in the lamp for 60 seconds. Now on these two outer nails, on the white part, I'm going to be doing black zebra print. And for this, I'm using the Modelones black gel paint as always. And to do the zebra print, it's quite easy. It's just wiggly lines really, but there's some kind of Y shapes, there's some kind of V shapes, there's some just a wiggly line. There is no right or wrong way of doing zebra print really. So yeah, I shall let you get on and watch me do these two nails. And you'll see once I've done this first zebra print, when I come to do the second one, I'm going to speed it right up because it's the exact same. And because there's some freehand on this set, this video is already quite long and I didn't want it to be any longer. So yeah, I've just had to speed some of the parts right up, guys. So that's the zebra print on the two outer nails done. Now on this nail I'm going to be doing some freehand and I'm going to be painting a Minnie Mouse. So I'm just going in with my matte top coat and I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds. Because I always find doing freehand is so much easier on a matte surface. And I said this in my previous video, but for those of you that's not seen that, I tend to find the best matte top coat to work on is the cheaper matte top coats, because I've got a Nails Urban Graffiti Ultra Matte top coat, and I don't find it as nice to paint on as what I do to my cheaper ones. So yeah, I think the more expensive ones are a lot more porous, where the cheaper ones are a lot smoother. So yeah, I always use a cheaper matte top coat to do my freehand on. Now to do this Minnie Mouse, I'm obviously using my Modelones black gel paint, my favourite gel paint ever. And I'm just doing this freehand. I'm looking at a picture that I've got on my phone next to me. And I've done a Minnie Mouse before and I traced it on with pencil. And I wish I'd done that again with this one, to be honest, because I think that one turned out a little bit neater than this one. I mean, I was still happy with this one, don't get me wrong, but I just think the other one was slightly neater. So I'm just going to paint the outline and the detail, and then I shall flash cure that in the lamp just for 10 seconds really, just to hold it in place. And then when I come to colour her in, if I make any mistakes I haven't got to worry about rubbing the black out. Now you'll see here, this is why I love this Modelones black gel paint, because you don't need to flash cure it after doing a little section at a time. Now if I'd have flash cured this part of the head, I wouldn't be able to now rub this out, and I want this bow to be sat in front of her forehead, if that makes sense. Only this side of the bow, I want the other side to be sat behind her head, but I want this side of the bow to be sat in front of her forehead. So if I'd have flash cured that, I wouldn't now be able to rub that part of the head out. So yeah, this is why I love using this black gel paint. I absolutely love it. And to remove that, all I used was a little bit of alcohol on a lint-free wipe. And that just takes it straight off without leaving any smudges. So once I've finished painted the outline for the bow and I'm happy with it, then I'm going to start painting the zebra print design on the bow.
I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life is sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She illuminates so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just being your sounds alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 better if I say the songs for you when you feel down and better. Shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how we everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J, yeah. We'll be so dangerous in love, girl. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh. Shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and your songs alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through. Only cause you set up the angle. Web that you we've got us tangled. Caught in what's before.
Now I'm using this Mefa gel polish, and it's like a nude sort of colour. I'm going to be painting Minnie's face with this.
I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy, reality, whoa. That's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Best foot forward, don't catch you slipping. Never know the things that you're feeling. Capture your body, get your best side. Breathe in the world, fake us a smile. Walking the lines, fine, but I hope one day you'll break through. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now.
Now we're on to the last nail, which is the ring fingernail. and I'm applying a non-white top coat there. I'm not curing that because into that uncured top coat I'm going to be adding these black crystals. And I haven't got any Mickey Mouse black crystals, so I just made my own by using one large crystal for the head and then 2 smaller ones for the ears. And I weren't really sure. I wanted these dotted about on the nail, but I couldn't get them to look right, so I decided to go and move them all to the middle. So once I've stopped faffing with these, I shall cure them in the lamp for 30 seconds. Now I'm applying the non-white top coat to Minnie and the 2 outer nails, and then them 2 outer nails I wanted to add these gorgeous little bows from Charlie's Nail Art, and they're a zebra print bow and they're so cute, you'll see in a minute. And I just wanted to add them to that join on them outer nails. I just think that finished this set off really nicely, and that is them all done. So I really hope you like them, Aggie. I hope you have a lovely birthday. Don't forget, guys, to head over there and wish Aggie a happy birthday, and check out everyone else's sets and videos, and I'll link them all in the description box below. And I hope to see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye.